Congratulations on your purchase of a Shadowspec Oasis. Your umbrella will arrive pre-assembled, which is great. When you're ready to install your new umbrella, remove the Oasis frame from the box and its protective packaging. We recommend you flatten the box and use it to protect your Oasis during installation, preventing scuffs and scratches. To assemble, you will require Shadowspec Oasis frame, Shadowspec Oasis canopy, Phillips head screwdriver, the 4 to 8 supplied canopy screws, the supplied crown cap. Locate the peak ring in the center of the canopy. While holding the peak ring, move the canopy up and over the frame and place the peak ring over the crown hub. Ensure the canopy protection pad does not shift or get removed from the top of the crown hub. Attach the canopy by inserting the crown cap through the peak ring and into the crown hub. Turn the crown cap clockwise to secure the canopy to the crown hub. Set up your Shadowspec Oasis with your chosen base option and secure in place by tightening the star knobs. Refer to the installation guide of your purchased base option for more information. Spread the canopy over the frame. Line up the canopy eyelets with the spring rib tips at the end of each rib. You may need to rotate the canopy. Fasten each eyelet of the canopy to the corresponding spring rib tip with the supplied screws. The 2 m 7 foot requires 4 screws, and the 2.7 m 9 foot, 3 m 11 foot, and 4 m 13 foot models require 8 screws. When each eyelet of the canopy is secured to the spring rib tips, you're ready to go. Secure the canopy with the supplied canopy strap or follow the opening instructions to get started right away. For more information, visit help.shadowspec.com.